Hello children, hope everyone is safe and healthy. I am your computer teacher Chaitra who is going to handle the grade 2 computers for the whole year for both state and CBSE. So let us see the contents children. Meet the computer, working of a computer, lab culture, keyboard, paint tools, more tools in paint. Contents: meet the computer, types of computer, working with the computer, input, output and processing, good and bad habits in the computer lab, keyboard, paint tools, more on paint tools. So these are the contents we are going to learn in this year. So let me start with the chapter 1, meet the computer. That is part A. That is, we have divided this chapter into two parts, part A and part B. So part A, we are going to learn about computer, a machine, and types of computer. Then part B, we are going to learn about working with the computer and some exercises. So while doing exercises, I want all of you to just be with your textbooks. So let me start. Chapter 1, meet the computer. So let us know about the machines and the electronic devices now. She is asking where we are going. And he is asking, are we going to a shop? Yes, we are visiting an electronic shop where we get electronic devices. So can you just see here children? So there are many electronic devices here like oven, washing machine, fan, laptop, TV, vacuum cleaner, juicer, mixer and mobile. Can you able to see all the machines here? Each machine has its own feature. Some machines run on the fuel, some works on the electricity and some works with the human power. Is it right? Yeah, we can see some electronic devices and has its own features like washing machine is used to wash clothes and we use vacuum cleaner to clean the house and we use juicer to make the juice, etc. So all these devices has its own features. Now let us see the machines that run on the electricity. So can we see the some machines that run on the power supply? Yeah, if there is no power supply, the machines won't work. Now computer is a machine that works on the electricity. You can find some devices also, the machines that run on the electricity. Electricity is nothing but the power. Next, let us see machines that run on the fuel. Can we see some machines that run on the fuel? Yeah. So the fuel is either petrol, diesel. So if there is if there is no fuel, these machines won't run. You can just see the aeroplane, car, boat and truck. Now let us see the machines that run on the human power. For all these machines to run, the human has to give some force. For example, for the bicycle, human need to pedal to move the bicycle. Otherwise, you can't just move the machine. So here we put some force to run the machine. Next, why we need these machines? We need machines because it works faster, give results very fast, works easily and make our work easy. So we need machines because it works very faster, the results are very fast and it also makes our work easy. As we know, computer is a smart machine which makes our work faster compared to other machines. So the feature of this computer is it makes the work faster, then it gives the result fast and the result is very accurate. Now let us see some of the types of computers. So first is the laptop. Can you see the laptop here? So the computer kept on the lap and work can be carried anywhere. So can you just see the desktop computer here? The child is working with the desktop here. The computer kept on the desk and can't carry with us. So you can't carry the desktop. It has to be kept on the desk. Next, palm top computer. Computer kept on the palm and it is handy, can be carried anywhere. You can see the palm top here. He is carrying in the palm and it looks like this. So it is almost similar to the laptop but little bit handy compared to the laptop. Next is the tablet computer. Computer uses touch screen and be carried anywhere. So are you finding the difference between the palm top and the tablet? Here this is not a touch screen. There is a keyboard here, and here it is touch screen. You know what is touch screen? Just by touching on the screen, the apps will get opened, and here you need to type or move with the help of the mouse. Similarly with the desktop and the laptop. So please find the difference between the palm top and the tablet. Here we are using touch screen. Here keyboard is used. Next, let us see some comparison between the computers and other devices like mobile, television, camera and calculator. So here we use TV to watch movies, play games. Then we use mobile to call anywhere. We use camera to take pictures and calculator help us to calculate quickly. Yeah, good children. All these machines do a single job at a time. But these jobs can be done by computer. So our computer is a smart machine. Yeah, you can use computer to take pictures. It calculates very fast. We can watch movies, we can play games with computer, we can use we can use computer to talk with somebody else who is far away. Now we can do all these works from computer. Listen to music, watch movies, play games, do calculations, capture videos and photos. In one machine is called as computer. So this is the computer. You can just see the computer. All the things can be done in the computer. So the computer is called as the smart machine. So I have given you some activity here. Answer the following. Some machines are given here. You need to identify the machines and write the machine's name. That is, you have to write which machine and why it is used for. So thank you children. Have a nice day. Stay safe and healthy.